Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the centre of Benidorm, overlooking Levante beach, just 200 metres away, and I'm going to be showing you an interesting investment opportunity for those that are thinking of purchasing a ready, all bells and whistles type of investment with regard to touristic rental. We're going to be showing you apartments that are in this building right here. The beach is right there. How fantastic is that? So the actual apartments themselves are 70 square metres, offer 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on the 2nd floor and on the 3rd floor. So let's begin the tour. We are in the 2nd floor in the first apartment of 2. So as I come in through the entry hall, the apartment itself is 70 square metres, and to my left I'm coming into the open living and dining area. This living space is 22 square metres. You also have a spacious terrace that is like a little wraparound terrace. Here in this area as well you have 2 different sectionals of sofas that you can enjoy, as well as a little dining spot, and you have here a table that is set for 4. Coming out onto the terrace, you also have additional space where you can enjoy outdoor dining in this little nook here, and also views of the surrounding area that we are in. After all, we are in the heart of the touristic area of Benidorm itself, and so on the 2nd line we are walking distance from the beach. Taking you from the terrace now through the main living and dining area, we're going back into the hall, and I'm going to take you to have a look at the bedrooms. The first bedroom is the larger of the 2. This one is 13 square metres. It has a large window on one side and also integrated wardrobes on the other. To maximise it, they've also put single beds in the 2nd bedroom too. Now here is the main bathroom that serves both bedrooms, which is fully equipped. And then also next to the bathroom you have the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom is 10 square metres. It has a similar neutral feel with the white, and it has a window as well as your integrated wardrobes. Also along the hall you will find a separate kitchen that is fully equipped. You have all of your electrical appliances for day-to-day comfort, and you also have a door that leads to an outdoor laundry room. Walking along one of the central landmarks of Benidorm itself, Avenida del Mediterráneo, this avenue is actually one of the longest avenues in Benidorm itself. And what's actually really nice about it is it overlooks both of its main central beaches as well as its port. So if you can imagine Benidorm, you have the old town, which is at this end, and then you have the new town, which is where a lot of the expats like to come on their holidays, which is this side that we are on. So what's great about it is that you find that you have every single service and amenity within walking distance, as well as on hand people that work in all of these establishments that are fluent almost, you could say, in English. So for many tourists, this is an absolute haven and a dream. And believe you me, in summer, when the temperatures are reaching in the 40s, you'd be amazed at how many people want to descend on this very same street that I'm walking on now. Taking you to the second apartment, which is also on the 3rd floor. This is the entry hall to the actual apartments, and for convenience of all the residents here, you have a lift. Now, in the same style, with it being a holiday apartment, you find that it is set up in exactly the same type of layout also. So as you come into the open living room and dining room area, and as you saw in the first apartment, it had sofas on both sides. Well, actually, these are not just sofas, but they're also sofa beds, permitting that you can actually sleep quite comfortably up to 6 or even a couple more people. So this is great in terms of the configuration of the space, opening out onto, again, a terrace that enables you to dine outdoors and also take in the surrounding landscape. And then coming from the actual terrace, going back through the living room, you'll find the specifications with the home are that you do have air conditioning throughout. And taking you along the hall, I'm now going to take you into the first bedroom. Similar to the first apartment, this bedroom is 13 square meters with integrated wardrobes on one side and also a window. You also have the second bedroom, also 10 square meters, similar design. And then you also have at the end of the hall the main fully equipped bathroom. All with the same type of colour palette as being white and neutral. And you're now coming into the fully equipped kitchen that then leads to a door that opens to your outdoor laundry room. Can you feel the energy, the vibrance? It is only the 24th of February, and as you can see already, tourists are coming down to this beautiful beach, walking along this promenade, enjoying their cocktails and almost imagining that it is already summer. And so that's what most tourists get to enjoy here, and that's why it will always have appeal and always have reach. So why don't you come on, have a cocktail on me? Whilst I am walking along the shores of Levante Beach, I am going to give you the nitty-gritty. So, the property tax and EB combined with the community fee is €2,000 per year for each of the 2 apartments. This is not a residential property for those to live in during the year or year round. It is designed entirely to be touristic as short-term rentals, and also providing whoever is interested with that investment opportunity. After all, it is already an up and running and well-established business, commanding reservations for rental throughout the entire year, not just within the season. And so therefore that's worth bearing in mind, that if you do find that you like this listing and you'd like to know more, then please do contact us and we can give you more information in relation to the economical side of what the benefits are. As you can see, it is very centrally located, a touristic hotspot, and a very seemingly clean and simple type of investment. So, without further ado, I'm going to say to you guys that if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, my name is Nikima. I will see you next time. Hasta pronto!